Hello today, I'm going to show you how to unlock your car in case of an emergency. If your keys are empty with the battery power, then you cannot open your car easily, as you can see. The trunk is closed. Oh no. The driver and the passenger side door is locked too. But there's no holes where we can enter our keys. But I will show you where to find that. There it is. No, that's not a good thing. Over there. No. You can crack the glasses. Maybe. No. There is a better solution for this. Okay. If you look under your level of opening the car doors, you can see there is a key icon. Ooh, there it is. What that for? Let's try this with our key to unlock first. Oh, remove the cover immediately. Here we are. That's easy, isn't it? Yeah. And underneath there is a hole to enter our key. Really cool. Here we are. That's cool. Okay, now we have a lock. We found a lock to open it manually. Now we enter our keys, and if we enter our keys, we can rotate the key easily in the lock, as you can see. But you have to enter the key in the right direction, and then you can open the car. Okay? Let's take it again. You see, that's the wrong position. Oh no, that's okay too. You have to push a little bit deeper. If you push the key completely in, you can use the key both-sided. Okay, then we can open the door by rotating it anti-clockwise. And here we are. We're back in the car. That's cool. That's really cool. So if we finished and open the car, we can go and have fun with the car. And after it, we can lock the car, of course, too. Lock the car again. Here we are. Job's done. Good job. And then, if we lock the car, we can leave the car and it is secured. Of course, we should place the cover back in position and replace the batteries in our remote keys. After we replace the remote keys or batteries, we can open and close it by using the key remote function again, of course. That's how we unlock our car in a case of emergency. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.